Okay, so this is my battleship program. This is the main menu. Has a background here that I got off the internet. Has two buttons. If you click the instructions button, it brings up the list of the instructions and kind of the rules to the game. If you hit this back button, it goes back to the main menu. Once you've read the instructions, you can then hit play now, which then takes you to the main game screen. So once you're at this screen, you need to left click on these boats and they will follow your mouse. You then right click in the box that you want to place the boats. And then you can hit R as well to rotate the boats back and forth. So you can place these anywhere in here as long as it's inside the grid. And once all of these boats are placed, it's then your turn to start guessing on the computer's board over here. So you click once to guess, then click again, and the computer will guess, as you can see by this little white blip that just appeared on the player board. So this white indicates that the computer missed the shot, and this red over here indicates that I hit a shot. So you just want to go through and double click until you find every ship. And this computer board is randomly generated each time, so they won't be in the same place each time you go to play. So it'll be different experience every time. All right, so as you can see there, I hit all of his ships. I hit the 2 ship, the 3 ship, the 4 ship, and the 5 ship before the computer hit all of my ships. So that's why I got this "you win" message. If the computer had hit all of my ships before I hit all of its, it would have said "computer won." And yeah, so that's the end of the game. Then you just exit out.